Hi everyone and welcome to Reveal. In this tutorial, I will share with you the meaning of cohort analysis and how you can look at it. A cohort is a group of people that share the same characteristic. In our case, this characteristic is represented by revenue, margin, order count, or customer count. This graphic representation shows us, for example, how many customers that you acquired in December 2019 stick to your business, meaning bought from you more than once, until December 2020. The same applies for revenue, margin, and orders. The cohort analysis generally helps a business to monitor the impact of their campaigns, for example Black Friday campaigns, on the client's stickiness. You can look at the cohort analysis in absolute values or in percentages. An easier way to visualize the trend is to look at this graph and choose the month you are interested in. For example, if you want to check what was the impact of the customers you acquired in March, uncheck all of the other months to look only at that month.